Hi, this is Dr. Prashant with a short video on the use of dermal fillers in the under eye area. This is a very common concern, often described as a tear trough deformity or bags under the eyes or dark circles under the eyes. The loss of volume in the midface can leave a person looking tired, exhausted when they are not, and looking like they have not had a good night's sleep. This is a video showing this patient getting ready for a dermal filler treatment. As you can see that the transition of the lower eyelid to the cheek is marked by a groove or divot which is causing a shadow effect to be cast on the lower eyelid area, giving rise to the tear trough deformity. This is the patient midway during the procedure. We have treated her right side with a Cannula Technique with a dermal filler called Restylane Lyft. There are just 2 points of entry and it is virtually painless. The filler is a hyaluronic acid filler, which is a complex sugar. When she turns her head, you can see the difference between the treated and the untreated side. And here she is at the end of the treatment with both sides treated. You can see how the transition from the lower eyelid to the cheek is a smooth transition, which is often perceived as a mark of freshness or youth. When she looks up, the hollowness under the eyes is markedly less than when she started out with. This is her side view showing the before and the after results. You can see how the support under the lower eyelids or the volume has added a look of freshness to the under eye area. This is one of my favorite treatment modalities for this complex areas. This is her before and after, showing the dramatic transformation dermal fillers in the under eye area can achieve. Thanks for the watching. Bye for now.